Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free a website audit of magicskillet.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love that you're showing this kind of logo Skillet at the top. The top menu is very user friendly, which is perfect. So you've got recipe types here. For some reason, the image in this hero area, I understand that there was supposed to be image here, is missing. So I'm not sure if it was like a I'm not sure where is it going, so I'll have a look. Okay, so it's going to the recipe, but I'll go back to the home page as well. Yeah, it feels like there is an image missing, so think about updating all of these elements. Make sure to check your website if all of the elements are loading. If it looks okay on your browser, make sure to check on other browsers because it could be browser dependent. For example, I'm using Chrome for this particular audit. There seems to be some kind of gap between those two paragraphs, so there could be another image missing as well. So remember to update that as well. But you've got okay, so you've got recipes, very enticing images as well, which is perfect. If you can see, those titles are kind of they're being cut off, so perhaps you can adjust the settings of this title. So instead of displaying only in one line, perhaps think about displaying it in full, because otherwise people don't know what this recipe is actually about. There's Korean beef, but they don't know if it's stew or something else. So this would definitely help to improve your conversion rate, click-through rate, and so on. Also remember to add links to your footer with trust signals, so people don't have to scroll all the way, scroll up. If they got all the way down to the footer, they can simply easily click to another part of your website, which will help to improve the user experience and the browsing time as well. And obviously add social media links here as well. When I clicked on pressure cooker recipes, it opened in a new window. So consider opening those kind of internal links in the same window. Otherwise, it looks like you're sending people to another website. And I understand that you've got your affiliate seller as well. Okay, but the collection page looks very enticing, very nice. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.